Event-driven architecture. Explain the core idea. Event-driven architecture, EDA, is a system designed where services communicate through events. An event is simply a change in state. Example: order placed, payment completed, user signed up. How IT works: instead of direct communication between services, one service produces an event, other services listen and react. This creates a loosely connected system. Key components: event producers generate events, event brokers distribute events, event consumers react to events. Tools like Apache Kafka are commonly used to handle event streaming at scale. Why IT matters: ADA enables real-time processing, scalable systems, loose coupling between services, faster response to changes. Real-world example: when an order is placed, payment service processes payment, inventory service updates, stock notification service sends confirmation, all triggered by a single event. The advantage: services don't depend directly on each other. This makes systems more flexible, easier to scale, resilient to failure. The future: modern applications are moving toward real-time systems. Event-driven architecture is becoming a foundation for scalable, cloud-native platforms.